Yeah. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're fitting a new exhaust to the Subaru. We're changing the 2.5 inch Pro Drive exhaust. To a Hayward and Scott 5 inch exit. That's a big boy. 3 inch CatBack and a 2.5 inch mid bite. One of the first things you want to do is you want to get some WD-40. Find the bolts that connect the back box to the mid pipe and just spray them down. Get up there and do the same ones where the mid pipe connects to the cat. Turns out it's not just Hondas that are rusty, it's Subarus as well. These bolts are rusted on and I'm trying to get a 13-14mm spanner on it, but it's just spinning on the bolt. So I'm going to drop it off its hangers and see if I can get any better access to those bolts. After playing around with the hangers for a while, I realised I don't actually have to undo those two bolts because I'm replacing the full CatBack system. So what I really need to do is those two bolts from the springs there. This one, it is a 14mm spanner and a 12, which does the binding action up there. So we have one of the spring bolts off, we've got to undo that one, and that will make that whole system separate, and then all it will be hanging it on is ideally the hangers. Get the hangers off, slide off the hangers, and the whole old system will be done with. So that is the old system off. Had to take it off in one load because these are all rusted. So we've got the old donut washer off, and now we put the new one on, ready for the new system. So we've got the new mid pipe in. He's doing up the spring bolts now, connect to the cat. You don't want to over tighten it because you'll crush your O-ring.
Donut gasket.
Donut gasket. I'm just going to nip those up and then hang the back box. And it's pretty much done.
Yeah.
Failure. It's cold start. So if you are interested in getting this exhaust, it is a afterburner Raptor. It is made by Hayward and Scott. I got it from Scooby World. They do a really good package with the back box and the midsection at a decent price. It's a 5 inch slash cut exit, so it's quite big, and it's got the nice burnt tip effect on there, and it's angled, so it sits at an angle, which I've always liked on Subarus. It just unlocks that proper deep burbly idle and sounds genuinely really nice. That job's done. Tune in next time for some more, maybe another Subaru mod, maybe some more Honda mods. But yeah, that's that video done. See you later.